Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice oral expression.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to speak.
Great. Today we will practice what you learned before: shops and services, and prepositions of time. We will do it with 3 exercises.
That sounds useful. I want to practice slowly.
First, shadowing. You listen and repeat to copy the rhythm and pronunciation. Second, read aloud. You read a short text out loud to speak more clearly. Third, describe the picture. You look at an image and say simple sentences about what you see.
I like that order. It feels easy to follow.
Exactly. We will keep the language simple and natural.
Good. I am ready for the first exercise.
Perfect. Let's begin with shadowing. Shadowing. Now we start shadowing. Listen and repeat after me.
I will listen first and then repeat.
I go to the shop in the morning. The supermarket opens at 8. We meet on Monday. She works at the bakery. The pharmacy is open at night. I visit the bank after lunch. He goes to the post office before work. The restaurant closes at 10. The hotel is near the hospital. I read in the bookstore. We walk from the shop to the bank. The hair salon is busy on Saturday. My mother buys bread in the afternoon. The gas station is on the corner. I call my friend before dinner. We eat after school. Read aloud. Nice shadowing work. Now it is time for read aloud. Nexo will read the text first. Then you at home pause the video and read it aloud slowly.
I am Ray. I will read clearly. On Saturday morning, I go to the supermarket with my sister. We buy bread at the bakery after that. At noon, we meet our father near the bank. In the afternoon, I visit the bookstore and choose a small book. Before dinner, we walk home and talk about our day.
Well done, Nexo. You did a good job with the text.
Thank you. The text was simple and clear.
Now it is your turn. Please pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Great work, everyone. Now we move to describe the picture. Describe what you see in the image and try to use the words and the time phrases you studied.
I will try with short sentences.
Good. Nexo, you try first, and then the viewer will do it.
In the picture, I see a busy street in the morning. There is a bakery next to a small shop, and a supermarket is across the road. A woman stands before the pharmacy at 9 o'clock. 2 children are near the bookstore after school. A bank and a post office are on the left. On Monday, people walk from the hotel to the restaurant. I can also see a hospital sign, a hair salon, and a gas station. The scene looks friendly and easy to describe.
Nice description, Nexo. Now, viewer, it is your turn.
Use simple sentences. That helps me a lot.
Please pause the video and describe the image your way. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. I see a shop. The bakery is busy. Now, pause and speak, and little by little, you will do it better.